Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's September 18th, 2025, and it's around 9 a.m. I got Harold fed. I noticed he didn't eat all his hay from last night. It is 69 degrees. The sky is blue, and the sun is shining just the way I like it. The 7-Eleven chickens. I'll run to the barn, get their food, so they're waiting for mice. Well, the escaped chicken got out when I opened the gate, so hopefully she goes over there and lays an egg. Well, everybody's taken care of. I'll go I'll get a cup of coffee, and then I'll get back out here and do something productive. Still need to find a place to put all these fruit bins.